Good, so you can see we're still outside. And it's a little colder.
It's freezing out here.
It's really cold out here, actually. But we're showing our treats out here just for fun. And this is a classic cheesecake. It's completely sugar-free. The crust is made in a different recipe, in a different video. Crust is super easy. The cheesecake is one of the easiest pies that you can make. And
amazing again.
it's classic. Over the holidays, you can't go wrong. You can throw some chocolate into some of the cheesecake and swirl it around, make a chocolate swirl, and you can add some lemon to it. It's super simple. Check it out.
Yeah.
Give me some.
No, you can't have it. It's mine. It's mine. Mine. Here, you can have a slice.
Thank you.
Okay, so to get the recipe,
Click the link below. Hey, Charlie. Click the link below. Below.
check it out.